Next level.
Okay, 5:15 p.m. on a Friday. Let's get the show started. Okay, we got our first order, and it's not too far away. A call of 7 minutes or 8 minutes.
Morning. Yeah, just wait. It's coming up.
Sure. Okay, let's go deliver this pizza. It's 13 minutes away. That's quite the way. But it's like an $11 deal, so. Okay, order number 1 is completed. I'm just putting on my side camera here. This is a very crappy old GoPro knockoff. So I have one here, and I usually keep one sometimes on the other side. Here. Sit tight, there are orders in your area. So that was order number 1, and it was $11.12, and I've been doing this since 5:15. It's now 5:51. Okay, let's go find ourselves a second order and see how the rest of this night goes. But did you hear what the guy at 2-for-1 Pizza said? Basically saying that he finds that the most profitable shifts are like late night, early morning, like midnight to 4 a.m. And those are not something that you book, but something that you just go in there and they're open shifts. So, should I stay up one night and try those? That might be kind of interesting. I guess you get a lot of drunks who like the tip. Anyway, my screen is going dark again. All right, let's go. Okay, so now we just left that place. It's 5:54, and we're just about to start our second order, and something over here is vibrating. Okay, I gotta get in the left lane, but the traffic in Brampton, man. Okay, picked up the order. It's 16 minutes away, so I think it's like a $12 deal or something. So that should be okay. I can't see anything behind me because this van. The restaurant looks nice though. Now, how do we get out of here though? That's the next question. And my side camera wasn't recording. I don't think it was recording. I won't find out until tomorrow, sometime. Okay, so he says, I'll meet you in the parking lot. Well, which parking lot? The parking lot for the visitors and the drivers, or the parking lot for the trucks? Which parking? Are you Adam? Yep. So it's 6:33, been driving for an hour and 18 minutes. Oh, got an order already. So we're sitting at $24.07. Located in McLaughlin Corners, Unit 1, same Crossman Canada, whatever. Paid online, parking available, have order and bag ready. Busy, about 4 minutes away. All right, let's go. So I left the wing place, and that was order number 3 that I just picked up, and they took forever. So there was, I was a third skip the dishes driver in there, and one came in behind me, and I understand that wings can take a while to make, but man, it was slow. I think I probably spent about 12 to 15 minutes in there. That's like a quarter of an hour. That's it. I shall let you know when we get to the customer location. And that will be order number 3. Alright, dude, you want to come in? Sure. Okay, so we just dropped off order number 3 from the St. Louis Bar and Grills. It is 7:15. I've been doing this now for 2 hours. And as soon as I dropped it off, we got an order. Oh, shit. We have a nice bit of signal light on before he made the turn. Anyway, so we just dropped off the order. And now, as soon as I hit that, then we got another request for another order. So that's where we were going. That's like 4 minutes away. So that was order number 3. We're starting order number 4. I don't know where it is just yet, but they're coming fast and furious. Okay, order's been picked up. Let's go back in here. Parked at restaurant. Pickup order, collected order, preparing to drive to customers. Don't know where this is. It's funny, some show the full name of the customer and some just show like initials or 5 minutes away. Say one thing, I'm starting to get to know the city pretty well. Alright, let's go. Okay, number 4 is delivered, easy peasy. We're gonna get a break, I think. Oh, 7:30, $46. 4 orders done. Got order number 5. Burrito Boyz. Been waiting for Burrito Boyz all bloody night. Alright, let's go pick this thing up. Number 5 is delivered. Oh, and you got another order. Parker Frit of Harveys across from Tim Hortons. Oh, God, that one. Right downtown. You know, it's funny, I haven't had any cash deals tonight. You notice that? Okay, so that was order number 5, right? Yeah, number 5. We were on our way to get number 6. And it's 8 o'clock. So I've only got another hour of this, and I'm not going to stay out tonight because when it gets dark, and then that's what I keep asking myself. Am I here to make videos for YouTube, or am I here to drive for skip the dishes and make cash? I don't know what I'm doing here. Right? Okay, order number 6 is picked up. I think that's order number 6, right? Yeah, order number 6. And we're gonna go see this dude. He's like 15 minutes away. Oof, speed bump? Or was that a body? Let's go a speed bump. Okay. Let's go.
An easy deal. The Prime Minister was criticized finally, Cindy, for putting in all these progressive...
I don't normally make a lot of assumptions, but I think that van might have been stolen. At least the way they were driving it and the way they were dancing in the front seat. Not that I'm going to stop someone from dancing when my last name is Dancing. In case you're wondering, Brampton has roundabouts, which is smart, I think, in my opinion. Okay, he seemed like a decent dude. Okay, 8:26, 8:30. Holy crap. Delivered. Sit tight, there are orders in your area. I am way out from downtown. I don't think I've been out here for a while. $8.26. I'm sitting at $68. $68.35. Think tonight might be an $80 night? I don't know. Maybe I'll stay on for another hour just so I can hit it. Okay, so as soon as I closed that deal off, another one popped up. So now we're on order number 7. Going to another pho place. Okay. You probably can't see me very well. Well, maybe you can now, but where I'm going to, the road is blocked off due to an accident or something. A couple fire trucks, a couple cop cars. So now I am detouring down this side road to get to this restaurant. It's 8:36, 8:37. I am probably, I guess I keep going after 9 o'clock, even though the shift may end. Either way, I don't know how it works out. I'm not too sure. But I'm going to, oh, where's this guy going? Oh, there it is right there. Okay, so we should be good to go straight, I think. There's an accident. Yeah, there it is. Like a decent fella. Delivered. It's 8:59. We're going to end our shift now because 4 hours is just about my cutoff point for telling people. Alright, let's go add this crap up, shall we? $80. So all in all, tonight wasn't too bad. It was 4 hours, and I think 4 hours is about the limit for me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, about 4 hours. Not even. So 3 hours, 45 minutes. And it was $80, so I'll have to do the magic math up here. I did 80 kilometers, roughly. Yeah, about 80 kilometers. I figured 10 cents a kilometer. So $8 roughly for maintenance and just upkeep and such on the vehicle that I throw into another account. And then I used about a quarter tank of gas, so I figure that's about $15 to $18. Let's go on the high end and say 20. Let's say $20. So that brings it down to 60 minus the 8, so we're down to like $72 over 4 hours. More magic math over here. And that's it. It was fun though. I enjoyed the night. I probably could have stayed on for another hour, but really, that's about my limit. And I'm going to be doing this again tomorrow night as well. It did bring me to a new end of Brampton, like a new area that I don't get a chance to see very much, so that was fun. And look what I'm checking out here. There's a soccer game going on 9 o'clock at night. Anyway, let's check out this game, and thanks for watching. Oh, and if you do sign up for Uber Eats, you know my code. It's 28ECP, and that goes right here. And someone signed up tonight, so thank you very much. I don't know if it's completed yet, but I do appreciate that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. You know the rules here. Like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, leave some comments below because I really enjoy hearing what you guys have to say. Alright, take care. Talk to you soon.